what is up everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So today we will be talking about another new set of releases to be released within the next few months, and today we will be talking about Mini GT. So Mini GT has been coming up with some amazing track editions, and you guys will be able to get to know what those models are through this video. So today's segment is going to be pretty interesting, and it's been a while since we came up with a new releases video, and hope you guys enjoy. So stay tuned till the end. Starting off with our first segment of the day, we'll be talking about the releases that were out in the previous set. And usually Mini GT releases their sets in 5 or 4 car editions. So this time we have a 5 car edition set, which includes some amazing JDMs as well as an American muscle. So talking about the first, we have the Ford GT Mark II, the 2019 Goodwood Festival of Speed edition. So you guys can see the basic Ford livery on the Ford GT, and with the wide body track edition, it looks amazing, and it is actually the first time they're coming up with some amazing track editions for this specific model. And second, we have the all-time favorite Silhouette GTR R35 track edition class 1. And we have 2 surprising outcomes. I talked about these 2 specific models in one of our previous videos, and this is actually the Honda S2000. So Honda S2000 is coming up in 2 colorways. So we get the bright yellow colorway as well as the blue colorway. So both are going to be convertibles, 2-door convertibles, and these 2 look stunning as always. And Mini GT coming up with this was a great idea and has been a major hit, and a lot of people have been waiting in order to grab these as well. And also we have the classic Porsche 911. So the Porsche 911 is coming in red. So this is actually the guards red, I will assume. So that is coming as well. So these are the color codes and the set that is being releasing for the next few months. And moving on to the next segment, we have something quite interesting. We'll check that out as well. Talking about the Ford GT releases that are coming out from Mini GT, we actually have another track release set, and this is actually a special edition which is going to be only 5,000 sets worldwide. So this is going to be a limited edition, and this is probably going to create a big hype. And I've seen in major pages and on Facebook people being commenting and sharing on this specific model a lot, and this is actually one of the few sets Mini GT is coming up with. And this is none other than the Le Mans 2016 24-hour Le Mans edition, and we have 4 cars from 4 GT variation. So we have number 67, 68, 66 and 69. So those are the car releases that are coming in, and you guys can see the livery, the red, white and blue mixture. And looking at this and looking how they have put on their pictures of the model, it's gonna be an amazing release, and I'm pretty sure a lot of people are in the hype of getting it. Talking about these specific models, getting into detail of the 4 cars that are being presented at this set. At first we have the Ford GT LM GTE Pro, which was in the 2016 Le Mans the 4th place, and also we have the Ford GT LM GT Pro 67, which placed also in Le Mans race 2016. And we have the Le Mans winner for 2016, which is the 68 number for GT LM GTE. And following 3rd place of Le Mans 2016 championship, we have the Ford GT LM GTE Pro 69. So that is how the procedure and that is how the lineup of the cars has been, and this is actually 2016 champions of the Le Mans 24-hour race. Talking about limited editions coming out from Mini GT, we have another limited edition which is limited to 5,000 pieces worldwide, which is the Silhouette Works GT Nissan 35 GT Metallic Purple R35. So this is also another track edition, another wide body presented by Liberty Walk Silhouette Collection, and you get the metallic purple with a livery of graffiti mixture, I would say. So the Liberty Walk presenting this is gonna be a major hit because I haven't seen this specific livery in any other brands. So Mini GT coming up at first and making this a limited edition with an amazing cool box is gonna be a hit, and I'm pretty sure a lot of people are gonna be in line to get this as well. And in the same time, they released another edition of this, which we'll be looking at next. Here we have the second collection of the limited edition to 5,000 pieces worldwide. We have the Liberty Walk Nissan GT-R R35 Type 2 with the rear wing version 3. So rear wing version 3, this is actually named as Kuma Graffiti. So Kuma Graffiti is also another release coming up by Mini GT, and look at that livery. So talking about graffiti, it's been one of the most famous artistic walls in the world, and people use graffiti in different type of methods and occasions, and now seeing that in an R35 looks stunning. So this is the second version of the purple metallic, and this is the Kuma Graffiti, which will be releasing in 5,000 pieces worldwide. So this is also going to be another hit of the R35 release from Mini GT. And finally, to end this video, we have a special segment coming up by Mini GT. This is actually the very first time Mini GT is coming up with some American muscles. So they are releasing a few Mustang releases for celebrating 4th of July. So 4th of July, as you all know, is a major celebration in USA, and they're coming up with a 4 set of American muscles, the Mustangs, as you guys know. So as mentioned in the picture, you guys can see the livery, the silver with blue stripes, the blue with white stripes, black with white stripes, and the orange with black. So these are actually the OG colors of Mustang liveries, and these are actually releases that have been done previously, but Mini GT is also coming up with the same livery editions, and hopefully we will be able to do a comparison within these two models and with the other brands as well. And I will definitely be doing a comparison video for you guys to learn and see what is best and what is to go for. And with that surprising release of the 4th of July muscle car release, we are coming up to an end of our video as well as our segments. And as always, hope you guys enjoy the video. Make sure to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification button to keep up with the latest news, as we bring in you guys all the new releases and unboxing videos at first and with in-depth detail. Hope you guys enjoy the video as always, and hope you guys have a great week, and see you guys on the next video very soon.